Whew. Hi, everybody. Been to church today. Came over to my grandmother's house and we having baked chicken. It's good for baked chicken, but I really like fried chicken. Church's chicken to be exact. Only reason I'm eating this is because, I'm trying to lose some weight. My doctor's on me about that. But honey, ain't nothing like that church chicken. Especially when they had it sale on Tuesday. But one thing I have to say about churches. If you're pregnant, don't eat it. Pregnant women should not eat church's chicken. I'm going to tell you why. My sister-in-law, she ate church chicken every day when she was pregnant. And you know they have steroids in that church chicken, right? Girl, the baby came out and the doctor hit the baby on the behind to make the baby cry for the first time. Baby said, girl, it was a scary thing, honey. Baby had hair on her chest at birth. Then she started talking. Her first word was I'm telling you, honey, I like that churches. But if you're pregnant, don't eat it. Okay?
Hold on. I gotta do this. I have to do this.
I want you to stop it.